In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to download Glovo app from Google Play Store. All you just have to do, just open your Google Play Store app. Then on the search bar, just type in Glovo, for example. So just type in Glovo, then the app will pop up to you. You can see right there on the second option. So just click on that. Then you see Glovo food delivery and more. Then you can see the overall rating on this app is 4.4, and total review on this app is 1 million plus, and then total downloads on this app is 15 million plus. So you can also check on the snapshot to see about Glovo, find your favorite restaurant, other food, groceries and shopping, then discover new stores and special offer. Then you can also track your delivery in real time. You can also reorder your favorite food and many more like that. So the next thing you're gonna do is just click on install. Once the app is okay with you, then the app will download to your phone. Then from there you can proceed on to the next thing, which of course is to opening or creating an account on the Glovo app. So I'll see you in the next one.